Hi, I am Richa C. Welcome to Not That Tough. This basic mandala course will help you learn mandalas in a simple and creative way. So let's get started. In this video, we will explore fundamental elements that build the foundation of mandala art. These simple strokes and shapes come together to form intricate patterns while you are creating a mandala art design. So just grab your pen and paper and take a deep breath and let's begin. First thing first, so let's start with lines, the most basic yet powerful elements in mandala art. Beginning with vertical lines, standing tall like trees, bringing structure and direction. Next, draw horizontal lines, steady, calm and grounding, much like the horizon. Now moving to slanting lines or the diagonals, which add movement and fluidity. Keep your hands steady and enjoy the flow as you draw. Practicing these simple lines are going to be very helpful while you're creating a mandala. So make it a practice to do this warm-up exercise just for 10 minutes a day on a daily basis. Now let's add energy with zigzag lines. These sharp dynamic strokes create rhythm and excitement. They can represent mountains, waves, and even decorative borders in mandala designs. Starting with squares, a symbol of stability and order. With four equal sides, it brings a sense of balance and foundation. You will often see squares framing or supporting complex patterns. Now let's introduce an organic element, the leaf. Soft, curved, and natural, the leaf adds a sense of life and movement. This is often used in floral mandala patterns, connecting nature with the art. Moving on to rectangles like an extended version of the square. They provide structure and space. Rectangles are commonly used for layering elements in mandala, adding depth and variation to the designs. Now let's draw some circles, the heart of every mandala. It represents unity, wholeness, and infinity. Whether big or small, the circle holds all elements together, creating harmony with the design. And finally, we have the spirals. Fluid, endless, and mesmerizing spirals symbolize growth, evolution, and energy. Let your hand flow freely, following the curve, and feel the meditative rhythm as you draw. All in all, each of the elements forms the foundation of the beautiful mandalas. As you practice, you will see how they come together to create intricate patterns. Keep exploring and keep creating, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Keep your hand steady and enjoy the flow as you draw. Thank you for showing interest in the magical mandala journey. Keep taking guidance from this tutorial and sharing your work with me. And I'll see you in the next one.